Two-factor authentication adds a second layer of security to your online accounts, and it must be set up after you log in for the first time. With two-factor authentication, you will receive a one-time use code whenever a login takes place from an unrecognized device. You can change your authentication settings at any time within online banking from a laptop or desktop computer in the Alerts and Security menu found in Settings on the digital banking dashboard. Adjusting and setting up two-factor authentication is not available in the mobile app. Once you are in the Settings menu, scroll down to the Alerts and Security section and select More. Then, in the Security menu, scroll down to the Two-Factor Authentication section. Select the Add Authentication Method button to view the list of method options. You can choose an authentication app on your phone, text message or landline call, or your email address as your second method of authentication. Keep in mind, during the enrollment period, the email on file will be automatically set up as your two-factor authentication method. Let's first walk you through how to set up an authentication app, such as Google Authenticator or other authentication apps you may already subscribe to. From the menu, select an App on your phone option. Use your smartphone to scan the QR code. Then, enter the code generated by your authentication app, such as Google Authenticator. Next, select Enable. The app you've added will now be listed under Enabled Devices. Now, let's look at the phone and email address methods and how to set them up. Back to the Add Authentication Method button. The text message or landline call setup process and the email address setup process are pretty similar. So we'll show you the text message or landline method and explain both. Enter the cell phone or landline number you want to enable as your second authentication device. If you've selected your email address on the previous menu, the email address on file would be listed. Then, select Verify Now to verify your device. A code will be sent. Enter the code to activate your enabled device. Next, you'll see your recently added enabled device listed under Enabled Devices. You can edit your devices at any time. However, keep in mind that two-factor authentication is a required feature. Congratulations! Your two-factor authentication enabled devices are all set up.